everyone, I'm Engine Cadet Rivera. We will tackle the requirements na dapat i-comply ng ship under MARPOL Annex 6. Ano nga ba ang MARPOL Annex 6? This is the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. It focuses on air pollution from ships. To comply with this annex, ships must meet the specific requirements. Ships must have an emission control areas, ECAs. Ships operating within designated ECAs such as the North American ECA, ship must use fuels a maximum sulfur content of 0.1%. Outside in ECAs, the sulfur limit for marine fuels is 0.5%. Engine International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate, IAPP. All regulated diesel engines used on US flag vessels must have this certificate issued by EPA to demonstrate compliance with NOx emission standards. The IAPP, International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate. Certain vessels are required to have this certificate issued by the US Coast Guard. The energy efficiency. Ship must calculate their energy efficiency existing ship index EEXI and establish their annual operational carbon intensity indicator CII. Ship are assigned a carbon intensity rating from A to E, A is being the best. Verification and enforcement. The port state control. Authorities may inspect ship to verify compliance with these annex requirements. Non-compliance can result in penalties, including fines, detention, and orders of offload non-compliant fuel. Additional requirements to comply of the ship. Ship must maintain record related their compliance with these annex provisions. Must adhere to fuel changeover procedures and ensure proper sampling and testing of fuel. Compliance MARPOL Annex 6 is crucial for reducing the air pollution from ships and protecting the environment. Ship must meet these specific requirements for sulfur content and fuels, NOx emissions, and energy efficiency, and they are subject to verification and enforcement by port state control authorities. That's all from now. I hope you understand my presentation.